Tripura Matha's long march from Churaibari towards Delhi has begun. On this day, the long march crossed the Churaibari gate. This movement by Tripura Matha is to demand Greater Tripura land and the deportation of illegal immigrants. To strongly present the demand for Greater Tripura land and the deportation of illegal immigrants to the central government, Tripura Matha's youth leader and zonal chairman David Murasing is undertaking a long march. This historic march started on the 5th of March of this month from the capital Agartala with the goal of reaching India's capital Delhi. Through this campaign, he aims to draw national attention to the rights of the Tripura people. On Saturday, this march reached Churaibari in the North District, one of the most important entry points to the Tripura-Assam border. Several top leaders of Tripura Matha were present at Churaibari to welcome David Murasing. Among the leaders present were Deputy Speaker of the Tripura Legislative Assembly and Tripura Matha MLA Bishaketu Debarma, Raima Valley MLA Nandita Debarma, Chairman of the Tripura Autonomous District Council Jagadish Debarma, EM Runal Debarma, MDCS Dhirendra Debarma, Damchara, Kahuchera areas, Saudagar, Kalai, Ampinagar, MDC and ADC Executive Member Kamal Kalai. Beside them, a large number of party workers and supporters also joined the event. Speaking to journalists, David Murasing said that long march is mainly to demand the legal action against illegal immigrants, and around 18 months ago, Tripura Matha demanded the formation of Greater Tripura land. Alongside that, the central government had issued a memorandum regarding the deportation of illegal immigrants from India, especially from Tripura, but it has still not been implemented in the state. He said this march is to protect the rights of the sons of the soil of Tripura, and to achieve constitutional recognition, he will cover around 2,500 kilometers to reach Delhi. The immense support and love from the common people along the way are further inspiring this journey.
उनका आंख बंद हो गया, शायद सरकार उनका कान बहरा हो गया, तो इसीलिए उनको ये याद दिलाने के लिए ही, उनका वायदा याद दिलाने के लिए ही हम त्रिपुरा वासियों का आंसू उन तक, उनका आंखों तक पहुंचाने के लिए ही, और हम त्रिपुरा वासियों का जो रोने का आवाज, समस्या का जो आवाज उनका कानों तक पहुंचाने के लिए ही एक त्रिपुरा वासी होने की नाते और हिंदुस्तानी होने की नाते, एक हिंदुस्तानी होने का फर्ज होम मिनिस्टर जी और केंद्रीय सरकार को याद दिलाने का, ये याद दिलाने का उनका जो वायदा याद दिलाने का फर्ज ये पूरा करने के लिए ही ये पैदल यात्रा है। अगरतला टू दिल्ली का 2500 किलोमीटर का ये जो पैदल यात्रा, ये तो चौराईबारी आसाम का बॉर्डर है, तो आज ही थोड़ी देर बाद हम ये बॉर्डर क्रॉस करेंगे। और त्रिपुरा में आप लोगों ने शायद देखा होगा, बहुत सारे मीडिया, लोकल मीडिया के थ्रू और नॉर्थ ईस्ट का मीडिया भी कुछ प्रचार किए। जितना भी हम रास्ते में पैदल यात्रा शुरू किया है, रास्ते में जितना भी गांव, जितना भी पहाड़, जितना भी गांव गलियां मिले, किसी को हमने उनको रुपया देके, उनको ऑर्डर देके किसी को हमने बुलाया नहीं, लेकिन सब अपने आप ही हमारा साथ, ये जो मेरा जो मुहिम है उसके साथ जुड़े।
Experts believe that this movement by Tripura Matha has added a new dimension to the political landscape of the state. Given the context of the upcoming assembly elections, it remains to be seen how much this movement can influence state politics. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.